Today I'm going to declare this as the first Sunday in March 2020 as National Shoot a Suppressor Day. I just have a Ruger Ranch rifle and 300 Blackout. I got my 30 cal can on the end of it. I'm going to give it a few shots downrange. Alright, I'm going to move the camera where you can see the still target down there. I have one set up at 75 yards. This gun's zeroed in right for that range with these 200 grain subsonics that I'm shooting. And I do have one other target down there at 200 yards. I'll try and give that one a shot too, just to see what I can do. I'm not sure I'll hit it, but I'll give it a try. Alright, the target on the left, the white silhouette's the one I'm shooting, and I've got the camera zoomed in as far as it'll go. It's not that great of a picture, but I'll just show you what I'm hitting here. Alright, now I want to see if I can't hit that pistol tree. That's brand new. I've never shot it, and being that I'm shooting these subsonics, I don't even know if it'll turn a plate around, but we'll see. I'll aim at the very top one. I'll probably hit the bottom one or something as slow as these projectiles go. Oh, got it. Let's see if we can't move another one. Smacking it pretty good. Oh, that one came back. Well, you know, I might have one more round in there. Nope, it was empty. Alright. We'll try something else in just a second. Well, I'm looking at the tree, and every hit on there was low. But it's not that low because I was pretty much aiming dead center, and it hit right in there. So that one was low. That one, I think, that middle one here, I think it popped around when I hit one of the others and I didn't get to shoot it. But the others, you can see, it's pretty consistent. They're all just a little low, and the majority of them are just a little to the left. No big deal. Just got it sighted in for close range. Anyway, here's that silhouette. This is not AR 500 steel, or 2500 or whatever it is. It's not the hard steel. You can see the dimples in it from where I've shot it in the past. But here's where I've been smacking it today. And it looks like one right there too. So anyway, I'm going to walk down a little closer and show you my silhouette that I'm going to shoot, or try to shoot at 200 yards. Alright, I'm getting a little closer to the target. Let's see if I can zoom in on it for you. That's it right there. That is my Tyrant target. I got that off of eBay, and it's the 1/2 inch hardened steel, and I've got it down here swinging from a chain at 200 yards. I'm actually gonna take the camera down there, set it up on the target, let it run. Of course, I'll edit all that down, and then I'll take a couple of shots, see if I can hit it with a suppressed 200 grain subsonic load. We'll just see. Of course, I'll aim real high to see if I can lob one in there, but we'll go with that. All right, I've got the camera hanging on a tree. I'm gonna head back and I'm gonna lob a couple of rounds at this thing. I'll zoom in just a little bit right there. We'll see what we can do. Well, doesn't look like I hit it at all, but what is interesting, every shot was aiming above his head, and what I would do is go up about 12 inches and keep going up, and I even aimed at the top of the chain, which is right up there. And I don't know how high above the target that is. 4.5 feet, maybe 5 feet, not sure. Anyway, what I did notice when I walked down here was bullet trails in the trail, and there's actually one right here. If I can get that off the tree. All right, the target is there, and right there's a bullet trail where it hit the ground. And I could tell I wasn't hitting it because the target never moved, but I could hear the bullets hitting something solid. I guess you'd call the ground solid. I could hear them smacking the ground, let me put it that way. Looks like there may be one bullet trail right behind it too. Let's see. Yep. There's one right there. About 6 feet behind the, sorry, I'm not on it. There we go. About 6 feet behind the target in and of itself right here. So I'm losing the light. It was getting hard to see the target. and I thought I'd just see if I could hit it with that suppressed 200 grain projectile. And I don't know if we can zoom in to where I was or not, but that's the table right, if I can get my, there we go, big old finger right there. Anyway, that's the table up there 200 yards away. Well, that's it for now. Anyway, make the first Sunday in March every year National Shoot a Suppressor Day. I'm going to try and make more videos of different types of shooting days. Anyway, I'm out. Thanks for watching.